Do you want to limit your data usage on X? Like, do you want to reduce the data you use on X? This video will give you a step-by-step guide on how to limit your data usage on X. First thing is to open up your X app. When you open up your X, then you come to this your profile picture, click on it, scroll up and get to this settings and support. Click on that settings and support. Now a message will pop up under it where you have settings and privacy help center. Click on that settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, just scroll up until you get to accessibility, display and languages. Click on it. You can see under this page you have accessibility, you have display, you have languages, and we have data usage. This is the last option. Just go ahead and click on data usage. When you click on data usage, guys, you can see data saver. You have this data saver. When it is enabled, videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all X accounts on this device. Just go ahead and turn on this button at the front. You can see the images, the videos, and every other thing under it have been de-highlighted. So guys, that is how to limit your data usage on X. You'll find this video so helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.